wanted to give you guys this close-up. I was back a little further, but I said just look at this water. Look how clear and beautiful this water is today. Look at that reflection. Oh, it's so pretty out here today. We've been in the 70s, and you know what that means? It's TTT. Time to tan, honey. Time to tan. Birds chirping. Look at that water. Give you sky pics. Look how pretty. Here's the sun. Anyway, somebody's dog is barking. But look at that. It is going to be a beautiful day today. The birds are singing. They know it too. Look how pretty. Oh, that water. The direct reflection of the houses and the trees. Look at that. We got the best spot here. We got the best spot. The best sunsets. It's just beautiful. Anyways, hope y'all have a great weekend.